Today I'm making a simple and delicious potato and egg recipe. It's so tasty. We'll cook it right in the frying pan. First, I slice 250 grams of medium potatoes into small rings. Pour 60 milliliters of vegetable oil into the pan. Place the potato slices on a well-heated pan and fry them on both sides until golden brown. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the potatoes. The aroma is already amazing. This dish is perfect for breakfast or dinner. Now, crack 3 eggs into a deep bowl. I got unusual eggs again. Each one has 2 yolks, which is quite rare. These eggs are excellent for baking. The more yolk, the fluffier, more tender and more golden the dough. But for precise recipes that require a balanced balance of whites and yolks, consider the double dose option. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground allspice pepper. Whisk everything until smooth. Cut the bell pepper in half, remove the stem and dice it finely. Add the pepper to the egg mixture and mix well. Finally, chop a bunch of green onions. If you don't have green onions, use any herbs you like. Add 3 tablespoons of thick, unsweetened yogurt or substitute with sour cream. Add 1 tablespoon of sifted flour. Mix everything thoroughly, then pour the mixture over the golden potatoes. Cover with a lid and cook for 15 minutes until the eggs set and thicken. Using a plate, carefully flip the dish to the other side and fry for another 2 minutes. Grate 90 grams of cheese on a coarse grater. I'm using cheese with Irish beer. I wanted to try something new. Sprinkle it on top, add a bit more green onion and wait a couple of minutes until the cheese melts. Our fragrant, hearty dish is ready. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate it. Wish you all the best and a great appetite. See you soon. Bye-bye.